what's up guys, welcome back to the REBELTECH channel. Happy New Year. This has never been done before. I'm on top of a ship and I'm planning to replace an SSD on a MacBook 2008. It's not a Pro, it's pretty old, belongs to my brother-in-law. Unfortunately I forgot to charge, so I will be replacing the SSD and hopefully I can do minor servicing and stuff. And yeah, as you can see, this is crazy, man. I'm sorry if it's noisy, but I can bet nobody has done this before. Apologies if the lighting is a bit too off. Try doing this outdoor. MacBook 2008, I'm gonna take the battery off. It's pretty straightforward. The MacBook 2008 has removable battery. So this latch. This is MacBook late 2008. Processor is 2 GHz Core 2 Duo, NVIDIA GeForce 256 or something. And I'm pretty scared my camera stand fall off because it's pretty unstable here. It's pretty shaky, so I'm gonna put this thing first. Okay, this is the old hard drive. It's currently running on macOS Mojave. I'm planning to install macOS Monterey, but there will be part 2. There's no charging station anywhere. I've tried looking all around the ship. The ship is huge. So this is an impromptu review or whatever you can call it. I'm impromptu. If I see a good location, I'll just shoot. And yeah, I'm sorry for the delay in uploading of videos. Stay tuned to more cool videos ahead. And yep, I'm using a mono wireless mic. Hello. Okay, first thing first, unlatch the battery. Okay. Oh, this. So take out the battery. One. Okay, this is what we'll be replacing, the old drive to SSD. So I try to keep everything in my pocket, and yeah, it's a bit tough. I'm gonna take out the drive. Anyway, I'm in Indonesia, the beautiful country of Indonesia, doing this. I'm going to South Sumatra. Okay, the drive is off. I need to take out the screws for the SSD. Ah, come on, I don't think I can. Oh, but it's fine. Yeah. One. I'm just gonna take 2 out. Hopefully I can. Okay, I'll just take 1. And take out the SSD somewhere in my pocket. Pretty warm, so try not to do this. It's not advisable to do this kind of stunt. Of course, stay tuned. Again, I'm gonna remind, stay tuned to my adventure video featuring tech, probably food vlogging, travel. Shout out to Ricky Lee. He's one of Indonesia's content creator. He does exploring. KMTV Ricky Lee. I'm gonna share his YouTube channel down in the description. You can follow him if you love exploration, because we're gonna be collaborating to do very unique stunt. Yep, I think that's about it. There you go. The SSD. I'm using SanDisk. Should I do this? Should I
do this servicing, replace thermal paste. No, please, I think I'm gonna do this. No, I'm not sure why I'm doing this. No, this is gonna be very, this is really gonna be very scary. Again, it's for you guys. I think should I remove all the drive? Should I remove the motherboard? Okay, should I? Should I not? Should I? Should I not? Let's do it.
Let's find a better view. Right here. Is better?
This can turn sideways. Why? Okay, I'm gonna be removing all the cables first and replace the thermal paste. It's been, I think, 3 years since I last serviced this, since I gave to my brother-in-law. A lot of people are watching me, man. A lot. There's people on the decks, probably like, what the this guy's doing, man? What the fuck is he doing? Okay, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Fuck it. Actually, my brother-in-law is in front of me. There's no one else. Okay, the ride is gonna be like 1.5 hours, so I think I have a lot of time to do this. Taking out, guys, you can do this anywhere, anytime. Not necessarily you have to send this to any tech or any IT shops. I'm removing all the screws first, and then I'm gonna take out the motherboard and replace the thermal paste while standing up. But I have to make sure that I remove all the screws. Guys, to be honest, I'm shaking. My hands are trembling just by doing this. But it's for you guys. It's for the education. Okay, chef, take this. It's all about educating to those who are interested. Okay, it's out. So the motherboard is out. There you go. It's the motherboard. And I'm gonna be replacing the thermal paste. It's somewhere here. Actually, I was like trying to tell my mind, my brain, not to do this. I just want to do replacement. Okay, so there's a sensor here that you need to remove first before you take out. Okay, it's out. And there you go. It's all out. You can see it's quite dry. I got my cotton bud and I'm gonna clear the thermal paste as fast as I can, but you shouldn't be rushing. You should be like just take your fucking time. Actually, it's still quite dry. It's actually quite wet, but it's been 3 years though. I know I'm not gonna be able to clean this off because I have limited cotton buds, and I'm gonna be replacing using MX4. So hopefully once after all this has been done, I can still power this on. should be fine. This is the MX4. Thermal paste on the processor and NVIDIA chip. That's it. And bear with me, guys. I'm using one hand here and then one hand holding the MacBook, one hand trying to screw the heatsink back. But of course, I'm not trying to tell you guys to do this stunt. This is all about all my videos are educational, that's all. Again, shout out to Unidentifiable SG, shout out to Indonesia's my most favorite content creator, very humble, Ricky Lee. This for you. I dedicate this video to Ricky Lee, but of course we'll be collaborating next week or something. But all this will be uploaded later on, you know, because connection here is not really good. There are certain parts in Indonesia that's connection is very laggy still, but I have no complaints. I love Indonesia so very much. A beautiful country, beautiful people, very friendly people. Those who have been to Indonesia will, you know, probably understand, will know what I'm talking about. Indonesia is like it's a heaven. Almost every person here very friendly. I'm like, I can't ask for more. It's like everywhere I go, even if I step into a sort of a convenience store, they will like greet you. Yeah, I'm talking about Indonesia. So yeah, since I'm here, it's really hard to put all this back. I'll try my best. I'll try my very best. Sorry if the video is a bit shaky. I'm almost done. I'm gonna make sure everything is in. Just to tell you guys, I'm on top of a ship, but I'm not able to do the macOS Monterey on this model yet, for obvious reason. Time. Obvious reasons meaning I do not have any charging station to charge the MacBook, because it can hold only like 30 minutes. Yep, you can see, right? People walking here and there. I'm gonna take the cover, put back cover. My only concern if it doesn't turn on is the keyboard cable. Okay. Yep, power on. So I'm gonna be installing the battery. Okay guys, battery is dead, which is confirmed. There's no light, but it's fine. I will continue with installing macOS Monterey. Stay tuned. I love you guys. Enjoy the scene. Alright, macOS Monterey.